Okay, good morning all. Today I'll be giving you an introduction on our product named Veluro. Veluro is basically a mobile application which helps you compare prices of different products and services through one given app. So in today's fast-paced digital world, consumers spend valuable amount of time scrolling through different applications looking for the best prices, which is to their convenience. So Veluro is basically helping you save time and money both through one given application.
I'm Ria and I'm the team leader. I've had the privilege of working with an incredibly talented group who've put their best into this assignment. Hemakesh was in charge of technical aspects and the PowerPoint presentation, ensuring everything ran smoothly and looked professional. Juvaria handled communication, making sure our ideas were presented clearly and effectively. Sai was the creative mind who came up with the original concept and guided our direction. Giriraj took care of data collection and organization, which formed the backbone of our project. Swati and Bachender both focused on research and gathering valuable information and insights that strengthened our.
I'm Sai Bopanna. I'll be speaking about key features of Valuro based on primary benefits. Our first feature is AI-based best value recommended. AI used in our app offers users the single best purchase option tailored to their need. This reduces the time and efforts of our users. Second feature is real-time price comparison. It ensures that users always gets the lowest price available in the platform. Third feature is fake review detection. It builds trust by providing users with accurate information and reviews. Fourth feature is delivery return policy score. Provides transparency on the post-purchase experience in basis of speed and ease of returns. Fifth feature is price drop and sale alerts. On special occasions, most of the product prices drops. It enables users to purchase at the optimal time, saving them money. Sixth and last feature is user preference profiling. Personalizes a recommendation based on shopper's context. Example, if a shopper is a student, we show them the products related to education. If the shopper is a gamer, we show them products related to gaming. Key features of Valuro on the basis of technical basis. Our first feature is AI-based best value recommended. In our app, we use machine learning model which analyzes price, score, and user's profile. This increases our app's efficiency. A second feature is real-time price comparison. We did web scraping and API integration with other e-commerce sites. Web scraping is done to collect data from other platforms, and API integration allows permission to open their platforms in our app. Third feature is fake review detection. We use NLP sentiments. This analyzes text from sources like customer review and social media posts to understand opinions and feelings. Fourth feature is delivery returns policy score. Data aggregation and normalization of shipping or policy information. This increases the post-purchase experience of our users. Fifth feature is price drop and sale alerts. Any specific occasion, we do push notification triggered by real-time monitoring. Sixth feature is user preference profiling. Users input and behavioral data analysis.
Be talking about the marketing mix. The product, as I said, is an AI powered application designed to simplify price comparison for users. Its core features include real-time price comparison to ensure users always get the best deals, then direct bookings or purchase options within the app, saving time and effort, then AI integration for smart recommendations based on user preference and trends. That's about the product. Then about the price, Veluro's pricing strategy focuses on sustainable revenue generation through multiple channels rather than direct charges to users. The app may earn through affiliate commission from partner brands or service providers when users make purchases through Veluro. Then advertisement strategically placed within the app. Then premium subscription offered ad-free experience, faster results, or exclusive discounts. Financial projections show structured revenue, cost, and profit models, ensuring long-term profitability while maintaining affordability and accessibility for users. Then the place, Veluro operates as a digital platform primarily accessible through mobile applications and potentially through a web interface. It provides centralized access to multiple price sources, making it convenient for users to compare prices anytime and anywhere. Target users would include online shoppers seeking the best deals, users who frequently use apps like Uber, Ola to go somewhere, who travel frequently using public transport, or booking hotel platforms. The focus on digital accessibility ensures that Veluro is available across devices, supporting a wider reach and enhanced convenience. Then promotion. Veluro's promotion strategy emphasizes innovation, trust, time-saving convenience. Its marketing communications highlight AI innovation as a unique selling point, transparency in pricing and service comparison, seamless user experience for hassle-free booking and shopping. Promotional efforts would likely target tech-savvy and e-commerce users using digital marketing channels such as social media, influencer collaborations, and also search engine optimization and paid digital ads. The focus is on building credibility, trust, and ease of use, encouraging users to rely on Veluro as their go-to comparison platform. Thank you.
The market is a segment based on user needs and behavior. Online shoppers looking for best prices, bargain seekers who prioritize discounts and offers, business analysts and smaller enterprises tracking price trends for cost control. Targeting tech-savvy consumers aged 18 to 45 who actively shop online and value convenience, small businesses and startups aiming to optimize procurement costs and monitor market fluctuations. Positioning. Position as your smart shopping partner, compare, choose, and save. The app differentiates itself through intelligence, automation, accuracy, and speed. It's not just a comparison tool, but a trusted partner in making smart purchasing decisions.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Swati Setu, and I'll be presenting the pestle analysis of our product, Veluro. So I'm going to start with the political factors. Veluro benefits from strong consumer protection laws that focuses on fair pricing and accuracy in online shopping. And since our app highlights features like fake review detection and best value comparison, these align perfectly with the government's push for transparency. And however, this also means that we must strictly comply with all the e-commerce and advertising regulations. Economically, rising inflation and price sensitivity are major problems for our app. So when everything is getting expensive, users are naturally looking for best deals and price comparison. So, and also like India's rapidly growing e-commerce market creating a strong opportunity for Veluro to reach cost-conscious users. Next, socially, people today are more aware and cautious about the fake reviews. So customers are prefer personalized experiences like recommendations based on their lifestyles, and our AI provides all of that. Next, technological factors. Veluro relies heavily on technology. So our success depends on stable APIs from e-commerce sites and the advancement of AI and NLP for analyzing reviews. So as technology evolves, our system can become more faster and smarter, and it also means that we also must update and adapt ourselves. Next, on legal side, data privacy laws like GDPR and CCPA are very strict. So since we collect and analyze user preferences, we must ensure full data protection and user consent. So we also need to follow marketing laws and intellectual property rules when linking to e-commerce platforms. Lastly, environmentally, our app encourages smarter shopping. So this means like we help our users buy the right thing first. So we reduce unnecessary returns and packaging waste, lowering the carbon footprint of delivery.
The next topic is competitive landscape. First, traditional aggregators. Example, Price Deco and Google shopping pages. They mainly focus on price data feeds, just comparing prices from different merchants. However, they lack deep analysis or personalized insights, which limits their usefulness. Next is marketplace integration. For this, the best example is Amazon and Flipkart price comparison tools. They provide accurate price data, but they are biased towards their own sellers and platforms. So they act more like a vendors rather than neutral advisors. Third is search engine tool. A best example for this is Google Shopping. It has a strong visibility and helps in comparing prices, but its recommendations are often based on advisory bites, meaning companies pay to appear higher, so the result don't always reflect true value for users. Next is travel aggregators. The example includes Trivago and Expedia. These focus on specific industry, especially travel. Their technology is similar, but the domain is limited, so they don't serve wider markets. Next, we are moving to the competitive advantages. First, AI powered analysis. Our platform uses artificial intelligence to analyze large amount of data, which ensures higher accuracy and more reliable results compared to traditional comparison websites. This helps users to get personalized and precise recommendation. Second is user-centric design. The the application is built with a simple and intuitive design, making it easy to use for all types of users. This improve the overall user experience and keep people engaged for longer. Next is real-time data. The system uses real-time information, allowing users to make quick and smart decisions based on latest data available. This feature builds trust and help users to stay updated at all time. Wide applicability. Our AI technology can be applied to multiple industries such as retail, travel, insurance, and finance. This gives the company a bigger market reach and makes it scalable and adaptable for future growth.
This is Hemkesh, and I'm going to speak about the Motor's 5 force analysis. So first is this new entry threat. So when we compare our value to AI as a barrier, we have a medium barrier. Since app, website which can compare the prices is a very cheap model. But whereas when you see an app or a website which can detect the fake reviews, personalize according to each person, get the data in the market, analyzing the data and high value to gives us a major problem with that. So to tackle this and get into the market, we have the major power where we can make the consumer trustworthy of products. Since we don't have the fake reviews, we only originate the proper reviews and the ones which are truthful, which are not AI generated or done by the producers to gain more popularity. And where we can personalize to each person, how the person wants his product, how the person wants the quality of the product, the prices of the product. This tackles the major barrier. So the second topic is bargaining power of the suppliers. Suppliers are essential in e-commerce business and they provide the cloud data for our product. And they have a very low power in it. Since they don't have high demand or the leverage amount and they can't restrict the access also. That's why the reason they have very good leverage. So the third part is the bargaining power of the consumer. The buyer has all the power. If our value doesn't have the speed and doesn't provide the best value, the consumer can go manually searching search engines like Google and Yahoo. So to tackle this, we are always consistently working on giving accurate, fast, best value and best technologies like removing the fake reviews and giving the accurate review, giving fast data, comparing in each and every website. So the fourth is trends of the substitutes. So our major substitutes are social media, Google search engines, and manual searching. And since the searching is also easy and free to do, it's a medium threat for us since the easy and search engines cannot provide core function of AI personalization. So if you take an example, if you in our app, if you are kind of person who likes the product which are in high quality but medium prices, you can't say to the pool, since whatever you type in the pool will give the normal example which everything gives. So the normal search engines cannot give you that thing, and we remove the fake reviews, which is a major thing. Because if you take some companies which have not that many reviews, they themselves use the other accounts to post reviews for. So this is the major drawback in the searching by manual or social media. Most of the social media tends to gain the views and to gain the consumers, they use a lot of fake reviews. This can be avoided in us, so it's we can say a medium threat for us. So the fifth part is competitive rivals. So we have very major competitors like Amazon, Flipkart, and Google. And as I told in the substitute part, we have the things which they don't support, which are the personalizing each person's individualism and giving them the non-fake reviews.
Posters generic strategy and hands-off matrix. First, we go to the posters generic strategy. This identifies how a company gains a competitive edges through cost leadership, differentiation, or focus. In this case, our company follows differentiation strategy. Our company is not competing on price, instead, it's focusing on value and differentiation, standing out with unique AI-based features. This means offering something special that the competitors don't. Next, our main focus is on uniqueness, fake review detection, policy scoring, and AI-driven personalization. These features helps us to build a trust and a credibility, giving users a premium experience. Our focus is on differentiation meaning it targets specific users such as tech people, parents, and students. The aim is to solve their main problem, trust and information overload, by giving them accurate and personalized insight. Next, we move on to the Ansoff matrix. Ansoff matrix shows four strategies for business growth: market penetration, product development, and diversification. First, market penetration. These strategies focuses on growing within the existing market using current product. Here, our company plan to launch in India with free access and run aggressively marketing campaigns. The risk is low, and the goal is to gain a strong initial market share and build a large user base quickly. Product development. This involves adding new features to existing product for the current market. Our company plans to add voice assistant integration and advanced AI features such as purchase prediction. This has a medium risk level, and the expected outcome is higher engagement and user loyalty through better utility and experience. Market development. In this strategy, our company takes its existing product into new geographical market. For example, expanding to Southeast Asia or the Middle East. The risk is medium, and it helps the company to reach new customer segment and scale globally. Next, diversification. This is the highest risk strategy as it involves new product in new market. Our company plan to enter new categories such as travel, grocery, and insurance comparison. Our goal is to create new revenue streams and use the same AI engine across multiple business areas. Thank you.
So the next topic is BCG matrix. So we have taken three product categories, which is electronics, fashion, and groceries. When we speak about electronics, it's our star product, high growth and high RMS. The high growth rate in online electronics initially focus in high market shares buying sensitive buyers. So according to our data, second comes the fashion, which is cash cow. Now the most of the market is turning to the cash cow, and it's a website which can analyze the whole market and give a cheaper and best quality. So we have a high potential in it. So it has stable market and high potential. So we are having a bit volume affiliate revenue once established. And when it comes to groceries, it's a question mark for us. It can either hit a boom or either, because since groceries contains the vegetables also, so we can't accurately say since the prices of the product differs day by day. So rapid grow in online grocery markets, but initially shares are very low in it. Topic is SWOT analysis. When we speak about strength, AI-based personalization and trust, transparency, and high stability potential. Since we have used AI, the work is done easily. We don't need more labor or more data initiated in it. Everything can be done easy. And when we come to opportunities growing online market and shopping, now most of them are transferring to online rather than going offline to due to the rigidity going to the offline and doing work and smart work and festival sales and demand spikes. When it's festival times, it will be hard shopping the one you wanted and the time which takes in the festival times. It's almost cut and easily since it shows the best value and the best product in it. When it comes to weaknesses, needed data, partnership with platforms, and user education required. Since the data is always dependent on the external factors, the need for data is very high. Since we need to compare every and each platform, the need of data is very high, which is a high cost for us. And user education required, yes. Most of the consumers wouldn't be able to understand in starting, but slowly we can try since it's a new idea. And when it comes to threats, the data access restriction evolving regulatory landscape. So since we need a lot of data to compare the prices in different websites, the data access restriction is very less, which cause a major problem for us. And the evolving regulations like the trademarks and the copyrights, which each and every firm has, which leads to us not getting more information to show to the consumer.
Is value chain analysis. First, data collection. A company collects data in real time through web scraping and API calls from various e-commerce platforms. It gathers products price, specifications, policies, and user reviews. The value added here is data aggregation and standardization, which means combining data from various sources into one clean and usable database. Next is AI processing. This step involves running proprietary AI algorithms using natural language processing for fake review detection and machine learning for users' profile and price trend analysis. The main value added here is intelligence and trust. Next is output. After reviewing, the platform present final recommendation to users based on factors like price, trust score, and user preferences. The value here is decision specification. Helps user to easily find the best value option without confusion. Next is outcome. Finally, the system directs users to select the e-commerce site to complete their purchase. This step adds monetization and efficiency, turning users' engagement into revenue through affiliate fees and confirming the effectiveness of the AI recommendation engine.
Good morning, ma'am. So I'll be talking about ethical policies of a project. So first one is no misleading advertisement. In action, it helps us to ensure all promotional material accurately reflects the product's capabilities and values proposition. Example, do not overpromise on the price guarantees. Second one is transparent sponsored product labeling. Here it helps us to label all recommendations that result in direct financial benefits such as paid placements, affiliate link, above and beyond organic ranking. Third one is user data privacy protection. Here it strictly follows the global data protection laws, and it uses aggregated data for all AI platforms whenever possible. And in rational, first one is ability. So it protects the brand form's regulatory security and ensures the product's trust-centric nature extends to its marketing. So second one is ensures impartiality. Here it aligns the legal requirements like FTC guidelines and proves that the best value recommendation is not unduly influenced by financial gain. Third one is it manages legal risk and trust. Here it analyzes and users' confidence in the service. Thank you.